Hey everyone, I'm Punit from punitmahajan.com, and in this video I'll be going through how you can use Facebook ads for growing your Instagram following. I saw tons of YouTube videos talking about this topic, but no one is going into depth and talking about the campaigns, ad sets, and all the tracking metrics that you need to track. So in this video I'll be going through all the steps that you need to do in order to grow your following on Instagram. I've divided this experiment into two parts. So there are two videos that you need to watch. So this is the first one and let's get started. So this is going to be the first part of the two-part video series that I have got for you in this experiment. So in the first part, I'm going to test only the interest, and inside that I'm going to show you the campaigns, the ad sets, and the ad creatives that I've used for this experiment. Secondly, we'll be going through the tracking. So I'm going to show you the tracking method that I've used for this experiment. And we have IG Blade. So IG Blade is used for Instagram followers tracking. Again, Instagram Insights, so you can do it on your mobile as well, which shows 7 days data only. The Excel sheet, which is very important here. I have created an Excel sheet for tracking all the followers, all the link clicks, and all the Facebook data that we get from these campaigns. And I'll link it down in the description below. Social Blade is another IG Blade type website where you can track Instagram followers and all the statistics. Finally, the results in terms of link clicks, how many link clicks did we get, and the number of followers, that is the number of people who have actually converted into followers. So for this experiment, I used a local based account where I usually repost a lot of stuff from my city, that is Pune, and all the posts that you see here are repost of the locations here in and around. So if you want to travel here, I usually post with the locations and give due credits to each and everyone. So this is the account that I'll be experimenting with. So if you look at the number, it is 10.8. So I have ran two campaigns here. So first, if you see the number here was 8516. I'll be going through this Excel sheet again. But I just want you to know that it was before, it was 8516 follower as of 7th July. So I'll go through the campaign next. So this is the campaign that I set up. And if you see, so this is the campaign setup that I have used in this experiment. The campaign objective here is traffic. And then if you move down, the daily budget here is 1000 rupees, that is around $13. And ad scheduling, since it is a daily budget, it will run for all the time. So if you want, you can also use lifetime budget and you can run ads specifically in the morning or evening. But I recommend running it for 24 hours. And this is the campaign level setup, and I'll move to the ad set part. So this is the first ad set, this is the second, this is third, fourth, and fifth ad set. So 5 ad set that I've used. So this is the first ad set, it is Marathi news channels. So Marathi is a local language here, and I want local people of Pune to know where my account is, and I want them to follow me. So if you see, this is the ad set. So we have few Marathi news channels here. The age is 18 to 65 and the potential reach is around 1 million. And here in the placements, what I've done is I don't want to use automatic placements here because I just want my ad on Instagram. So I've only used Instagram here. So if you go down, you have Instagram feed, Instagram explore, and Instagram stories. This is all we want here because people won't go from Facebook or any other websites on your Instagram account, and the price may be high as well. So to keep it very simple in this experiment, I used only Instagram placement. And then if you go down here, the optimization ad delivery. So if you see here, you get 3 to 4 options here: the landing page views and also the link clicks, and the other one. But in this, I just wanted to focus more on getting as many as link clicks as I can. So the optimization for ad delivery here is link clicks. So make sure you use link clicks and you don't use landing page views here. So similarly, we have different ad sets with different interests. So if you see this, these are all the newspapers here. So if you see here, the ad set has a lookalike audience of the people who have engaged with my Instagram account already in the past 180 days. I've already created a lookalike from the custom audiences. So this type of ad set can really work where the audience is too broad, as in everyone who sees my Instagram account may follow. Anyone can follow my Instagram account for, let's say, getting updates related to my city. So this is an interesting ad set that I've tried here. And inside that, we have a video here which is a drone footage. If you see, I'll just switch off the preview for now, and we have the drone footage here from one of the historical places here, that is Siagat. And then the caption, that is primary text here, and also the credits that are duly given to the owner. In the website URL, I have added bit.ly link. So if you see here, I have gone to this website, that is bit.ly.com, and I have created a shortened link. So if you see, I can see the data here, and I can get a lot of insights on how many clicks actually went from that ad to my Instagram account. So this is the data. So you will need this tool for tracking links as well, which goes to again my Instagram account. So this link goes to my Instagram account. So the call to action here is learn more. So if you're not selling anything, just go with learn more, or maybe you can also use watch more in this case. But if you're selling something, go for shop now directly. The Facebook pixel is off here because I'm using my personal ad account here, and I just wanted to carry out this experiment of getting Instagram followers using Facebook ads. If you have a Facebook pixel in place, you can always tick this pixel option. So this is the drone footage that I've used here. So this is, if you see, this is the drone footage of one of the historical places here in Pune. So you can also use different images, and Facebook will give you results according to what's working. If the video is working, it will push budget there. If the image is working, Facebook will push budget there and will give you results. So you can also test out with different images here. I have tested with a drone video. So this was a campaign setup that I have done for the part 1 of this video, where I'm testing just the interest here, and I'll now show you the results of this campaign. So here is the Excel sheet that I have used for tracking all the followers and the link clicks and all the data basically. So if you can see, the goal here is to get cheapest link clicks, and before running this campaign, the follower count was 8516, and after 7 days it is 9901. The platform that I have ran ads on, just Instagram, optimizing ad for link clicks, as I said earlier. Daily budget was 1000 rupees, that is $13, and the video that I used was of a drone footage. I had 5 ad sets, and then if you see, the followers gained is 1385. Bitly link clicks, if you see this link clicks here, it is 1718 and 1718, and this is the Facebook unique link clicks, that is 1780. So you are going to see some difference between the Bitly link clicks and the unique link clicks here. So it is always better to track more data. Followers that I got by subtracting this from this is 1385, and the conversion rate from this unique link clicks to the followers, that is people landing on my ad and then following me, is 80%, which is very good here. So total, if you see, the amount spent is 5983 rupees, or you can say $80, and per follower I am getting is 4.3 rupees, or $0.06. So in 4.3 rupees, I'm getting a follower on my Instagram account. Yes, we can optimize it more. We can add images. We can test out more videos. We can change the copy. We can change the interest. And also the ad set that I left out was the photographers ad set. So I wanted to target all the photographers in and around my city. Also all the food joints that are there in my city. So in this, you can create as many as ad sets, but make sure your budget is enough to spend on these ad sets and then ads as well. And this was from the result side. And in terms of tracking, you need to use IG Blade. So this is the dashboard of IG Blade. And if you see here, from the 7th to the 14th, we have stats here. I'm not sure that this stats are totally correct. And if you see this 32 here compared to this 210 or 415 or 114, this is because I ran out of money in my Facebook ads, and then I had to refill the account. So it is always better to track Instagram followers with different tools. So if you see this other tool, again, you have detailed statistics here. So if you see, so this is the 7th till the 14th. So if you see, this is the gain here. Now these tools are not that accurate. If you see here as well, this number will contradict with this one. So it is always better to have a screenshot of your Instagram account while running this experiment. This is where I started running the campaign, so I can maybe just screenshot it next time, and then after that at again 1 p.m. I can just click a screenshot and get the exact number of followers that I have got through this campaign. So this was it for the first part of this video, and in the second part I have used lookalike audiences which have worked really well. So if you don't know how to create lookalike audiences, I have a video here. You can go and watch and create lookalike audiences. So this was it for the first part of the two-part series. And if you have any doubts, if you have any suggestions, if you have any comments, you can always put down your comments and I will reply to them. And if you are interested in learning more, you can always watch the second part of this series where I go through lookalike audiences, and I have brought down this price from 4 rupees to literally per follower. Make sure you watch that video as well. So do hit the like button if you have got any value out of this video. So if you have any queries, do comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you in the comment section. If you want a quick reply, just DM me on Instagram at Punit and I will be happy to help you. So this was it for the first part of the two-part series, and I'll see you in the next one.